life without you. From the moment you walked into my world, never knew how long a loving flame would burn, but losing you has forced me to learn that we can change the way we feel inside, and every try in love never turns out right. We both know it's better if we just let it go. So let's have one last kiss, one last touch, one last tender moment between us, one last dance to our first song, while pretending there's nothing wrong. Let's lay here for
Isakay ka lang. Ito na yung bag mo.
Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say
Ako si Nico. Almost 1 year ko na rin girlfriend si Cecil. Naaalala ko pa nga nung una ko siyang nakita eh.
Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one?
Maraming nangyari. Sobrang saya ko talaga sa kanya. Lalo na nung
chance that you would rather add than subtract.
Girl, patingin naman ang profile.
Nico Estrada added a photo of you. Oh my God, girl, you must see this one. This is so sweet.
Teka, anong gagawin ko?
Ewan, mahal mo na ba?
Oo eh.
Then go! Ano pang hinihintay mo? Call him and sabihin mo na mahal mo rin siya.
Ngayon na?
Nauna! Balak ko ba bang ipagbabukas to?
Ito na nga eh.
Birthday kasi ni Patricia eh.
So what?
Sabay na lang natin yung celebration.
Palagi ko na lang ba siya kahati?
Babe, intindihan mo naman ako.
We must be practical. We must be practical. We must be practical.
Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko.
Bakit? Anong meron?
Oo nga, parang stress na stress ka.
Dadamayan ka namin, Bes.
Hindi ko na talaga maintindihan si Nico eh.
Ha? Bakit?
Parang mas mahalaga si Patricia na best friend niya kaysa sa akin na girlfriend niya.
Ha? Mahirap nga yan. Kausapin mo na lang siya habang maaga pa.
Cecil, I have something to tell you. Go ahead. I love your boyfriend. Ha? May sakit ako at may taning na rin. Ang last wish ko lang ay makasama ang taong mahal ko till my last breath. What do you mean? Set him free. Please, Cecil. Babe,
Yes, babe.
gusto ko na makipag-break sa'yo.
Bakit?
Wala. Basta ayoko na.
Wala. Sasayangin na lang ba natin ang lahat?
Hindi mo ako naiintindihan. Mahal kita. Pero hindi na pwede eh. May sakit ang best friend mo. Mahal ka niya. At kailangan ka niya.
Pero,
I love you, babe. Happy anniversary.
And so that we just have to let each other go. There were many times when we shared precious moments, but later realized they were only stolen moments. So how are we to know
Kailangan ka niya.
that it just wasn't so?
pero,
That we just
bigla.
had to let each other go. Loving you is all that means to me. When being happy is all I hope you'd be. Then loving you
Happy day.
must mean I really have to say.
Ako
And I just cannot hide that there's